this is the Chiang Kai-shek. This is the Chiang Kai-shek. Ay, sorry. Parang may ano dito mamaya, may concert.
Ano?
So, aakyat tayo. Titingnan natin kung ano yung sa taas. Due to infection control, please visit the bronze statue at the hall entrance on the first floor here on the side of the gate. So, yeah, wear mask because it was implemented here. Pero ihingi na ako.
Nalagyan natin sabi, murag nakasulod mo na yung cheese doon sa una pero wala may kayo nagpa-picture kaya.
Oo, kamo?
Oo. Atong si Asol po natin eh.
Oh, si Sol.
Oo.
Lagi nakita na ko yung picture na kana ba? Oh, ganahan kay ko.
Oh, dili ka be. Dili na di.
Kana siya, the view.
Kita ko. Pero sa ngayon, sana.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world.
Ay, wala nang phone. Shucks. So right now, they're changing guards. That's how. Yan po yung ano. Paano na to change ng guard? And hindi siya masyadong makita kasi we're outside. And it's super. Laptop nila. Kantin.
Hindi ka tama kasi ito ni pagkahirin.
Dugay pa na eh.
Ano na yata ni?
So, it's in there. Finish. Napa ni sa sulod bi? Or kanila?
Susunod.
So, asa ta mo agi?
Dire. Open ka na yun. Open na ba?
Dili daw. Likas daw. It's not fair. So, yan na. Tara sa pikas daw.
Tara, picture na ka dyan, be.
Papainit daw eh.
Oh, ang init.
So that is the monument of Chiang Kai-shek, and what to witness is that's how they change guard here, like every 10 to 20 minutes, I don't know, but yeah, that's it. So we're here at the Hall History Center, Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, and pwede siguro to, pwede ta dira bi matana. Dito ba sa sulod? Dito ba? Pangutana daw ta. Pwede ba? I don't know. Try natin din. Kasi pwede. Hindi lang ko sure. Kaya basiksukan ta. Pwede ba? Awesome. So we're here inside. And this is the history of this is the memorial office. Oh, he is the late president of Taiwan. And these are all his collections. So this is the one. So these are all the collections. And this is the whole lot place here in Chiang Kai-shek. So this is the first floor of the Chiang Kai-shek. And this is the view. I like the view. You do? So these are all the arts. Pwede na tayo mag-picture. So if you will visit here, there's a lot of food and it's aircon. And yeah, there's 3D collections. Ang daming 3Ds dito. Dami namin picture kanina. And this is one. This is the one. Are the lanterns. One of the places here in Taiwan, it's in Pingshin. Oh, this is the Pingshin Sky Lantern. So this is the one. We've been there. This is Pingshin Sky Lantern Festival.
Sky lantern.
And then dito, ito yung isa sa island, Tall Mountains. This is Formosan, Black Bear. Yushan. This is Yushan. 100 peaks of Taiwan elevation tayo sa dito. Yushan main peak. This one is Alishan. This is the Alishan cherry blossom scenery. Yeah, it's one place. is one of the visit Taiwan. Dito, ito yung
Laban.
dito yung
So, ganyan yung gagawin mo dito.
dito sa likod, wala pa ta. This is the Taipei 101. So, yan sila. This is Taipei 101.
So, view maganda. Yan, oh. Di pa pwede na lumipad.
Fly to Sawa. And there's oh my god, this is cherry for cherry for cheers. Oh, cheer for cheer. So ito yung Chiang Kai-shek. Ito yung ano, Natsu.
Ganyan yung
So, ito yung mga souvenirs mga Taiwan. This is inside the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Wall. And may mga ano dito, mga kalo. Pwede nyo kayong bumili if you like yung mga shades. And it's so expensive.
So, may extra po kami, pero ma-pupul na po.
Oh, ang lamig na ng hangin. So, this is the Chiang Kai-shek. Paghapon na, kami ng tao. Ah, it's super init. Net shade.